Revenge is a kind of wild justice, which the more a man's nature runs to, the more odd law to weed it out. The very nature of science is discoveries, and the best of those discoveries are the ones you don't expect. Anything created by human beings is already in the great book of nature. Everything in nature contains all the powers of nature. There is no God, nature sufficeth unto herself. In no wise hath she need of an author. I'm a bit of a loner, you know. I'm more quiet by nature. Politeness is to human nature what warmth is to wax. Failure is nature's plan to prepare you for great responsibilities. The real cure for our environmental problems is to understand that our job is to salvage Mother Nature. Consistency is contrary to nature, contrary to life.